Hi, today I'm gonna be removing the passenger door panel on Nissan 350Z, and then I'm gonna replace some of the interior parts with the black color one. So in order to remove this door panel, we need to remove this part first. Gonna be 2 screws here and here. We're gonna take off this part. So this is really similar to the one we did in the driver's side. So gonna just lift it from the middle, slide off easily. Then we're gonna disconnect the window switch. We're gonna have to there's gonna be clips all around. Now everything's off. Oh, sorry. I forgot there's gonna be a screw here. There should be another screw here. So after taking off the window switch, we're gonna take out these two. And then there's gonna be one here. So if we pull up the door handle, we're gonna have this black cover thing. We use a flathead screwdriver to take this part out, and there's gonna be a screw here. Now we can actually take it off. We just have to lift it up a little bit. Now it's off. For the door handle and the lock, we have these two cables here, but it's gonna be really easy. What we're gonna do is just use the flathead screwdriver. Okay, so now came off, and then the other part just slide these out and goes, and the other one gonna do the same thing. Okay, and then there's gonna be a thing. It's hooked into this circle thing, so then it's off. And if we wanna take off this panel completely, there's gonna be cables attached to the this interior skin. So it's really easy with this interior trim tools. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, then we're gonna cut this socket out. Okay, so all you gotta do is use the flathead screwdriver, and then push this click in. Then it's gonna slide out. So now the top panel is completely off. We can start working on the interior trims. So this is the door handle I'm going to replace this one with. It's just different colors, and this is the replacement part I got. So it's actually gonna be really easy to replace it, or just these screws. So first we're gonna take out the door handle. To take out the door handle, we just move this around, and then it's gonna loosen up. So okay, everything came out so easily. And the door handle. And then to take out the air vent from this part, we're just gonna have to press this clip on the side, and then it's gonna slide out, but it's kind of hard to press it. Okay, it slides out. And also these parts are the OEM parts, and then these are really old, so they are really brittle. It's gonna break apart most of the time, so I don't really recommend removing it unless you have a replacement one. So first I'm gonna do is put the air vent in this part. So it's basically the same thing we did. So we're just gonna align these like these, and then just pull it out. And be gentle. Okay, now it's in. So we're gonna assemble this first. Okay, and then the door handle. We might have to pull up the door handle a little bit. Oh, I think I put it wrong. Okay. So this order, and we're gonna pull the door handle a little bit in the inside, and just align these with this its holes. Then we're gonna put these parts. So this gonna go inside of this, and then this gonna align with this. So this gonna go inside. And then what we wanna do is we're gonna pull down the door handle a little bit in the inside, and then slide this part a little bit in. Just okay, just like that. Then make sure to get everything aligned properly. There's gonna be a hole. That part is the that part is the lock button. So the hole is for the L-shaped thing to hook it up, and then the one beside the spring, there's gonna be a groove like the circle shaped thing. You're gonna slide the white part into this. And let's see, does it have the arrow? Oh yeah, so it has the arrow up. Okay, that make it easier. That's all. We're all set, and we got all the replacement here, and it works.